Daddy took some food in his mouth. He's giving it to mommy so she can feed the babies. There it is.
Through this process, I dealt with two, guys that kind of told me like, "Oh, you have to order, you have to wait until this time." I'm like, what are you talking about? I already ordered it. Like even the manager gave me the problem. And finally, I got one manager that helped me to get the process. He gave me credit over $220. So I made $20 on it.
I did that with my BlackBerry. 9700. Oh yeah. I went. You don't understand how many BlackBerries I went to. Oh wow. I went to like on the curve. I went to like 15.
Okay, now mommy's gonna feed the babies. Okay, mommy bird is feeding baby birds. The canary. New Year's Eve, 2010, 2011. 4 babies. 4 babies. Sorry about the background noise. New Year's Eve. There's a big party going on.
That's what I want.
Okay.